Here we're going to look at a couple examples using our laws of logs and then our other rules with logarithms to be able to simplify log expressions of base e, so the natural logarithm. Okay, so we need to find the exact values of. So exact values means we are not going to plug this in our calculator and get an approximate decimal number. Not going to do that. We're going to figure out exactly what this is, okay? And we need to be able to show that work and prove and justify that we know what this number is. Okay, so we're going to be thinking about a few of our rules here. We have log base a of a to the power of x is equal to x. So applying this to base e, we would have log base e of e to the power of x is equal to x. Or in other words, ln e to the power of x is equal to x. Okay, so this guy. Now, I usually actually think about ln as log base e because I find then it relates more to what the other rules that I already know. Okay, so let's think about this guy. We know, I'm going to actually write it out as log base e of e to the power of 2. Now, right away we can see, okay, I'm using this rule, so this is actually equal to the number 2. Okay. Now, let's remember one of our other rules. If we have a to the power of log base a of x, that's equal to x. Okay, so if we're talking about a logarithm, if we have e then to the power of log base e of x, that's going to be equal to x. Okay, written proper notation, we would say e to the power of ln x is equal to x. Okay, so let's justify using that rule here. E to the power of, I'm going to write this out as log base e of 5, because what we're actually looking for here now is when we're using this rule, we're looking for this base and the base of the argument to be the same as each other so that this exponent on the argument is actually what the value of this entire expression is. So same thing here, we're looking for this base here of the exponent. This whole thing is the exponent, okay? Log base a of x is an entire exponent for this a, but this base on this logarithm here is the same as the base here. That means then that this is actually the value of that entire expression. So here we have that, there's the e base, there's the e here. So this is actually equal to 5, okay? And I justified that by showing that step. Okay, now thinking about our laws of logs for number C. So we've got here, and we can separate this out. I'm going to change it to log base e first, e to the power of x over e to the power of y. Using law number 2, we can separate that out into subtraction. Okay, and now using this rule again, log base e of e to the power of x is actually equal to x. Log base e of e to the power of y is actually equal to y, and they are subtracted. So those are the exact values of that. For example 12 from your textbook.